I'm gonna complete the square of this quadratic. And the first thing I'm gonna do over here is multiply this binomial. So this will be y equals -2. And if I multiply x times x, it will be x squared. And if I add 4 plus 1, it will be 5x. And then 4 times 1, it will be 4 plus 4. Now, I want to distribute the negative in here. So I'm going to end up with -2x squared. And then plus, minus 10x. And then minus 8 equals to 0. Now the next step that I want to do, I want to send this to the other side. So -8 goes to the other side as positive. So I want to have -2x squared. And then the minus 10x. And then equals positive 8. So 8 goes to the other side. Notice that I left a space over here and a space over here. Oh, but before I do that, so I'm going to factor -2 from this side. Only from this side. So -2, and this will be x squared plus 5x. And then I'm gonna close those parentheses right there, and then plus 8. Now, what I'm gonna do to complete the square is b over 2 squared. My b is 5, so 5 over 2 squared. And this is what it completes the square, actually. So I'm gonna add over here 5 over 2 squared. So if I add it on this side, then I must add it on this side also. Plus 5 over 2 squared. But since I'm multiplying this 5 over 2 squared times 2, so I'm gonna multiply it on this side also. Times -2. Now I can simplify this, or for sure I know that this is a perfect square, so it's gonna be x plus 5 over 2, 5 over 2 squared. That is a perfect square, and that's the reason we do that. And then times -2. And this will be equals 8, 25 fourths. 5 squared is 25, 2 squared will be 4. So it's 8 plus 25 over 4, and then times -2. So if I times that by -2, that will be 8 minus 50 fourths. And if I make 8 into fourths, it's gonna be 32 fourths minus 50 fourths. This is gonna be 18 fourths negative. This will be the same thing as having negative 18 fourths, and then minus 2, and then x plus 5 over 2 squared. Now I want to send this to the other side as positive, so -2, and then x plus 5 over 2 squared, and then plus 18 over 4. And that should be the equation. So this is written in the vertex form. So there it is, your equation written in a vertex form. -2, x plus 5 over 2 squared, and then plus 18 over 4. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.